Embodied breathing exercise. This exercise can be used to calm anxiety, settle our minds and settle our bodies, and promote emotion regulation. I'll invite you to find a place to sit or stand where you feel well supported. You might notice your posture, that you're sitting or standing in such a way that you can breathe easily and you don't have to work hard to hold yourself up. You might notice your base. Feel the ground underneath you, perhaps under your feet or your legs or the chair you're sitting on. And feel that place of contact and allow yourself to sink a little bit more into the support of the floor or the chair. Notice that feeling of stability and solidity in the support. Now I'll invite you to bring your attention to your breath. Just notice it. You might notice that you can feel it in your nose or your mouth. Perhaps you can feel it in your chest or your belly. Just observing. Notice the gentle waves as your body naturally breathes in and out. I'll invite you to intentionally lengthen your breath. So as you breathe in, you might see what it's like to take a slightly longer inhale, and then similarly, a slightly longer exhale, nice and slow. It might help you to count while you breathe in and out. So as you breathe in, you might count to 4, pause, and then as you exhale, count in your mind to 4. And continue that for a few more rounds of breathing. Now we can breathe into different parts of our body. Doing this can deepen our sense of being settled in our bodies and just help continue to regulate our breathing even further. So as you breathe in, and if you care to, you can continue to count as you inhale or exhale, or simply follow your breath as you send it with your attention into different parts of your body. So first, let's breathe and think about our face. So as you breathe in, you might think about sending your breath to all the different parts of your face and feel the sensation of your breath entering your eyes, your nose, your ears, your cheeks, your jaw. Perhaps taking a couple of rounds of breath just to explore the different parts of your face. And as you exhale, you might think about sending out or releasing any tension that you just notice that you're holding in your face. Then we can bring our breath just a little bit deeper into our body. You might send it down to your shoulders. So as you breathe in, sending it down into your shoulders, and as you breathe out, releasing any tension you notice there. Now we may send our breath down our arms. So as you breathe in, imagining your breath going even further, making its way down your arms, all the way down to your hands, even into your fingers. And as you breathe out, carrying any tension away. Now as you breathe in, you might send it into your chest and your rib cage. As you breathe in, just really feeling it fill your whole upper body. You might feel your chest expand Feel your ribs move. And as you slowly breathe out, carrying any tension along with it. Next, you can invite your breath to move all the way down into your belly. So as you're breathing in, allowing your belly to soften and just expand with your breath. And then slowly exhale and relax. With your next breath, you might send it all the way down to your hips. As you breathe in, feeling how it enters that part of your body, and perhaps even moving around a little bit, just to again connect with the solidity of the support underneath you. And as you breathe out, breathing out any tension you notice along the way. Next, breathing in and sending that breath all the way down into your legs. So taking a little bit of a deeper breath and imagining it making it all the way through your legs to your knees, even down to your ankles. And if it takes a couple of rounds of breath, that's fine. And then as you exhale, imagining any tension, any nervousness, just whatever you're noticing in your body as you visit these different areas. You can imagine them being breathed out with each exhale. And then finally, breathing in and sending your breath all the way down to your feet. So you might notice your breath making its way into your ankles, into your toes, even sending it out through the bottom of your feet to connect with the earth or the ground underneath you. Taking one more deep breath, sending it all the way down through your whole body to your feet. And one more cleansing exhale as you slowly release any tension or stress that you notice along the way. And in the last moments, you might just see what it's like to expand your sense of awareness, to notice how your whole body is breathing all at the same time as you continue to just let your breath happen naturally.